Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Mr. Heen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 13 and the name of our unit is Things Around Us. And we are on lecture number 11 and we are going to discuss animals around us. So my dear students, previous lecture mein humne kya padha tha? Let's quickly have a recap. So look at the pictures carefully and then answer. So what are ways to take care of plants? So हमने plants की taking care के बारे में पढ़ा था, कैसे हमें उनका ख्याल रखना चाहिए. So जल्दी से वीडियो को पॉज करें और मुझे वो तरीके बताएं जो हमें plants की देखभाल के लिए इस्तेमाल करने चाहिए. Very good. We must not pluck flowers. We must water them on time and we must keep the area where the plants are, it must be clean. Okay. So my dear students, next let's quickly move forward towards an activity. So here you will see some pictures. So now tell the names of some animals you see around your house. आपके घर के इर्द गिर्द आपको मुख्तलिफ जानवर अक्सर नजर आते हैं. मुझे जल्दी से जरा उनके नाम सोचकर बताएं. अगर मैं सोचूं तो मेरे घर के भी इर्द गिर्द बहुत सारे जानवर होते हैं. Often I see some dogs and there are also several cats over there. I see some birds. I see squirrels and these are some plants. I often see some cows and goats outside also. So these are some common animals that we see around our houses. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards today's student learning outcomes. So in today's lecture, students will be able to identify some common domestic and wild animals. So my dear students, आप आज कुछ common domestic और wild animals जो हैं उनके बारे में जानेंगे या आप उन जानवरों के बारे में जानेंगे जो आप अपने घर के इर्द-गिर्द देखते हैं. But before that, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. So Allah says in Quran, and there is no creature on the earth or bird that flies with its wings except communities like you. We have not neglected in the registered a thing. So my dear students, Allah Taala ने तमाम जो जानवर हैं उनको बनाया है. पौधों को भी, जानवरों को भी, इंसानों को भी, और अल्लाह ताला ने हर चीज को लिखा हुआ है. यानी कि अल्लाह ताला के पास हर चीज का रिकॉर्ड मौजूद है. So my dear students, now is the time for pre-reading questions. So quickly tell me that do you have pet animals and what's the name? आपके घर में कोई pet animal है, कोई cat या dog, कोई bird, कोई भी चीज. So quickly tell me its name also. Very good. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the reading. So I request you all to please open Animals Around Us. I hope everybody has opened the page. So now let's start the reading. Animals around us. Just like plants, animals are also living things. We see many animals around us. Each animal is different from other. So my dear students, हम अपने इर्द गिर्द बहुत सारे जानवर देखते हैं और हर जानवर दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ है. Like we see squirrels, horses, hens, dogs, cats, cows and buffaloes. And we also see donkeys. So all the animals, as you can see, they look different from one another. And we also see some birds. So here you can see horse. This is so big and runs so fast. Here you can see a squirrel. It is very small and climbs up the trees very quickly. So then you can see a cow, a buffalo and a cow. Both are they seem similar, but they are not similar. Then dogs, cats and donkeys. We also see hen, chicken and sparrows. Both have wings, but both are different from one another. ठीक है, दोनों के पास पर तो हैं, लेकिन दोनों एक दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ नजर आते हैं. So ये जानवर हैं जिनको हम इर्द गिर्द अपने डेली बेसिस पे देखते हैं. So now is the time for evaluation. So quickly tell me, name some animals you see around. Very good. Okay, so now is the time to note down, do the practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below the video, or you can get it in print from Bio Teacher. So my dear students, write down your name and your class, and then things around us. Write name of animals. So what is this? This is a donkey. This is a cat. Then a squirrel. Then a buffalo. Then comes a dog, and then a horse. So this is how you will complete this worksheet. Okay? Okay, my dear students, now is the time for homework. For homework, what you will do is you will do home activity number 7 given on page number 114. So what is the activity? Make a list of animals you see around. So आपको अपने इर्द गिर्द जो कॉमन एनिमल्स नजर आते हैं आपने उनकी एक लिस्ट बनानी है, नोटबुक में नोट डाउन करनी है. स्पेलिंग्स के लिए आप पेरेंट्स से हेल्प जो है वो ले सकते हैं और लिस्ट बना के अपनी टीचर को चेक करवानी है नेक्स्ट डे. So this is your homework. Now is the time for wrap up. So my dear students, in today's lecture, we have learned that animals are also living things. We see many animals around like buffalo, cow, cat, dog, squirrel, hen, horse and sparrow. So my dear students, आज हमने बहुत से जानवरों के बारे में पढ़ा जो हम अपने इर्द गिर्द देखते हैं. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.